You said we'd never fall, but we're diving through the smoke and lights. This dream's a mirrored hall, where every step reflects the night. Your voice is wired in my spine. We're digital ghosts in real time. The moment's glowing like a screen, and we forget what silence means.